on 7th Avenue in Manchester, in the city of Inglewood. And this yellow tape. The police are out. They got tape everywhere. And they say this is where Slim 400 got killed. However, there's only like 2 people out on their grass, 3 people at the other corner, and nobody here. I'm sure his family know by now. It's in between 88th Street and the alley. Nobody out here but the police. So this ain't the alley I was thinking about. The alley I was thinking about was on the other side of the street by the laundromat. A few people hang out there. This is behind the cleaners. And man, they say Slim 400 is dead. That's what I've been told. I see the yellow tape right there, so he's in between them 2 yellow tapes. There's a car right there. I can't see what kind of car it is. But I don't know. The car behind these trash cans. He probably knows somebody over here or something. But there's nobody out, so ain't nobody for me to talk to or ask no questions. This is a short video. One I wish I didn't make. But shit, the world gotta know Slim 400. They say he gone right here on 7th Ave in the city of Inglewood. They got all these buildings, they got cameras and stuff. That's what they're just pointing at. All the buildings that got cameras. So I don't know where his body is, probably at the hospital. But Slim 400, rest in peace. Slim 400, rest in peace. There's not a big crowd, not an entourage out here. But 7th Ave between 88th and the alley right before Main Street. It's blocked off. Only a couple people here. But it's crazy. Only a couple people here. This dude is too valuable to the community for only a couple people to be here. Crazy. Crazy. Rest in peace, Slim 400.
Yo, what's going on, my YouTube fam? So you guys know I just dropped the first video on Slim 400 getting murdered in Los Angeles. So right after I dropped the video, I got a phone call from one of my good friends, which is a LA source, which is heavily involved in the LA politics. So he kind of told me some information that kind of makes sense, and it makes the situation even sadder. Because the information that I received is pretty much Slim 400 was just at the wrong place at the wrong time, and pretty much was a innocent bystander. So pretty much it was not a personal issue. It had nothing to do with his record label, and it had nothing to do with him getting shot 10 times. So after I got that information right there from my LA source, I went back to the internet to see if there's any updates or any videos that I could find. So I found that first clip that I played at first, which is apparently from somebody, a resident that stays in the neighborhood right there where Slim 400 was murdered at. So that kind of confirms the area for all the allegations that said he was shot over here or shot over there. Now we know exactly where he was shot at. We know for sure that Slim 400 is deceased. So once again, condolences to his family and his love. So also while searching the internet, I found a clip by Wack 100. And for those that don't know Wack 100, he is heavily involved in the music industry and he is from the West Coast area. He is also involved in gang politics, so I'm pretty sure he will have the right information to offer. And as you could tell in this clip that I'm finna play, he was kind of tight-lipped about it, like keeping things close to his chest, but just trying to somewhat tell the internet what is going on. So let's go ahead and see what the infamous Wack 100 himself has to say in regards to the death of Slim 400.
That nigga Slim wasn't supposed to be over there like that anyway. Tripping. He was tripping over there? That's exactly what I'm talking about, Wack. Go ahead and speak on it, Wack. He wasn't supposed to be over there. You know, it's a war going on over there. You know what I'm saying? Right. When you're on a nigga block, a nigga come through, nigga gon' come through. So, you know, like, it's a war going on over there, homie. Right. You know what I'm saying? And with the homies. So he was in the 60s, I'm saying. Well, nigga, everybody knows this war been going on over there for the last, like, couple months. We've been serious over there, so, you know, you over there, you know, I'm very seriously doubt.
Alright fam, so real quick, what was told to me on my end, my LA source, you know, he was allegedly over there to chill with his woman. You know, he had a girlfriend that stayed in the neighborhood. So let me break it down to you guys how it was broken down to me. I will not be using names or the gang names because first of all, I am not a gang member. So it's not really my position or my place to talk about gang politics when it comes into death, the death of the gang politics, you know what I mean? All due to respect the morals of the street. So basically guys, from the information that we have, it seems like two gangs in LA has been having a beef for the last couple months. And from what was told to me on the phone, one of the gangs went and did something to this gang. This gang came to retaliate on the other gang. Slim 400 was in the area, and the gang did, you know, whatever they had to do. And basically, you know, he was caught in between the middle of their war. And like Wack 100 said, you know, he wasn't supposed to be there knowing that this war has been going on. So, unfortunately, right now, allegedly, should I say, that seems like the case to be. At the end of the day, another man has lost his life. So once again, y'all, it's nothing but respect. Peace and blessings to everybody out there. Happy holidays. Be safe. Catch me on the next one. But real quick before we go, I just want to say this on my behalf, you guys. This is why I honor rappers like Nipsey Hussle, Young Dolph, because they big dogs in the game, able to control these neighborhoods. And I feel like if they was here, man, especially Nipsey, like things like this wouldn't happen. It was somewhat of a piece. Take the leader out the game. It's no stress. People out there going wild and killing each other because they have nothing to look up to at the end of the day. You know what I mean? That big homie, that mentor, that source is gone.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this for dog. You know what I'm saying? Smoking that gelato. Yeah, that part. Yeah, shake back like a foe. You know what I mean? RP my nigga. You know what I mean? It's his rest day. I ain't show my face and said shit, but at the end of the day, it's my nigga though. You know what I mean? And we gonna grow up for him too. We gonna grow up for him too. Gelato, nigga.
My name, when you see status and JC's level and Tupac shit, come on, you gotta slow a nigga down. Man, at the end of the day, you listen, you learn. At the end of the day, if you don't learn, come on. 9 shots. 9 shots. That's how many you took. God got me. God got me. It ain't fucking easy. Crazy motherfucker. Disturbing my mind. Real. It ain't easy. Bye. Disturbing my mind. Real. It ain't easy. Bye. It's disturbing.